Welcome back to my channel. Today we are learning about relational operator and logical operator. Okay, what is the relational operator? It means relation between two values. Okay, understood? Okay, types of relation operator. First is equal. It means compare the two values, both are equal or not. It means equal. Okay, not equal means both value equal or not equal. Check. Okay, next, greater. Which value to compare the two values, which value is greater? Symbol is greater. Okay, next, lesser symbol. Which value compare the two value, which value is lesser? Okay, next, greater or equal, greater than equal. Okay, this symbol. Next, lesser or equal. Okay, I explain. Okay, now I declare two variables, int a is equal to 10, int b is equal to 20. Now print system dot out dot print a equal to b. First, relational operator only returns boolean operators. Okay, what is the like true or false? Okay, what is the a is first, what is the a value? A value is 10, b value is 20. A is equal to b, 10 equal to 20? No, it is false. Okay, not equal to 10, not equal to 20. Okay, now run the program. It's false. Okay, now 20. Now 20 equal to 20 is true. Okay, what is output? True. Okay, now clearly understood what is the equal values. Next, I teach you not equal. How to not equal? Compare two values, equal or not equal. Now, 20 not equal to 20, false. Okay, run the program. False. Okay, now 25. 25 not equal to 20, yes, is not equal. It's true. Return true. Now clear and understood. Next, greater. What is the greater? Next, compare the two values. A greater than B. 25 greater than 20? Yes, true. True. Okay. Now 28. Now 25 greater than 28? No, false. False. Okay. Next, lesser. Lesser. 25 lesser than 28? Yes, true. Now 29 lesser than 28? False. Okay, now clear understood. Next, greater than or equal. What is the means of greater than or equal? Greater than equal means both values same or and greater and greater. Okay, now 20 means, what means of that? Greater than or equal. I run that program. Greater than or equal. Okay, both values same, also greater than. Okay, next, also false. Okay, a less than, a greater than equal to b, false. Okay, next, less than or equal, true. Okay, next I explain. Next I teach you logical operator. Okay, what are the logical operator? And or not. Okay, what is the and symbol? These are and symbol. Only both are condition are true is only returns true. Okay, uncondition means both the condition are true, it's only return true. Okay, or condition means these are these symbols are condition. Okay, what is the condition? At least one condition is true, return true. Okay, not. What is the not? This is a not equal. Okay, Re- reverse the result. Equal to true, not equal to means false. Okay, not equal to false equal to true. Okay, now explain it. mm, Boolean. Boolean a is equal to true. Boolean b is equal to false. Now a b. Okay, I declare both values. First I check not equal. First, what is the boolean value? A true. Okay, what is the b value of false? Okay, now not equal to a means a value is convert to false. A value true convert to false. Okay, b value false convert to true. Okay, now run it. Okay, now a value is true convert to false, b value convert false convert to true. Okay, now clearly understood what is a not value. Okay, next I explain and condition. And condition means both value are true. Okay, b false. Now run. A both are true. True or true. Both are condition true only returns true. Okay. Is both are false, it returns false. Okay. Now both are true. Return this. What is both are true is true. Okay. Now return. Okay. Now understood clearly. Next. I or condition. Okay. What is the or condition? Any one true condition contains return true. True. Okay. On return this false. False. Now what is the output? Any one true contains returns true. True. Okay. Now clearly understood. Thank you for watching my videos.